To wrap up this tutorial series on the Bayfield Historical Web Map, we will look at a couple of advanced features of the map. The first of these is the zone overview. To access this, first click on a zone, for example the harbor, and then double-click on the zone. This will provide a comprehensive overview of the zone. This includes any items that are associated with the zone, and then you can use the page flippers. This includes any heritage information or plaques associated with the zone, a land ownership record if present, as well as any organizations that are associated with the zone. This brings us to our second advanced feature, which is the organization overview. If you see underlined text in the Bayfield Historical Web Map and click on it, it will bring you to somewhere new. In this example, it brings us to an organization overview. This shows us a few things, including again, items associated with that organization, locations that organization has occupied over time, if for example it moved, and then any people who were employed by or otherwise involved with that organization. As you can see, entering this information about Bayfield is a work in progress, but the map supports it, so we hope to one day incorporate this information into the map. This concludes our tutorial series on the Bayfield Historical Web Map. We hope you enjoy exploring Bayfield's history using this new tool. If you have any comments or suggestions, we encourage you to get in touch. And if you have any historical images in your own collection pertaining to Bayfield that you would like added to this map, we encourage you to get in touch as well. Finally, if you would like to support this project or the ongoing work of the Bayfield Historical Society to digitize and publicize our fantastic collection of photographs, postcards, maps, and more, we encourage you to visit our donate page and make a contribution.